Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. Now record an empty background for up to like 5 seconds or so, then you can just run and jump the way you see me doing on screen. When you are done with that, you save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project. Now import the video you recorded to Capcut. You see, we recorded an empty background, so we want to split that empty background because we will use it. So from here, I will tap on the layer, tap on split, then go and look for overlay. See overlay. Now click on overlay, just bring it to the beginning of the video. You get my point. So now what you will do from here is to tap on this empty layer, the first layer here. Now go and look for freeze. You get my point. See freeze here, click on freeze. So it depends on the duration of the video. You can decide to extend this one so it will get to the end of the video. You can decide to leave it. So guys, if you've not liked this video, please like this video so YouTube will be able to distribute it to many other people. You get my point. Share this video on your social media platforms. You know we need to grow. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on our simplified video editing tutorial. So guys, from this point I'm in the air. From this point I'm jumping, I'm in the air like this. You get my point. This is where you have to tap on the layer. Now tap on split, delete the ending part of it, just delete it. What you will do next from here is to bring the effect, the green screen effect right here. So click on add overlay, tap on add overlay. So this is the effect. You get my point, the butterfly effect. So you go to remove BG. Now tap on it. Now click on chroma key, set it to way to show green, so you can play the video a bit so you'll be able to see the butterflies, understand? So set the way to show green. Now you will have to increase the intensity, just take it to 50, shadow to 100. You get my point? And then you tap on OK. Now place 2 fingers on your screen to expand the effect, just make it bigger, understand? Just like what you see me do on screen. You get my point? So when you are done with that, what you need to do from here is for you to go and look for adjust. Where is adjust? Where is adjust? Oh my god. See adjust, click on adjust. Now go and look for HSL. Look at it here, click on green, reduce the saturation to -60. I mean -60, not 100. This is butterfly, so -60. So you leave it there. Now tap on OK. Let's go back. So guys, what you will need to do from here, from this point where the character is in the air, understand? So you have to adjust the green effect to align with when the character is disappearing. I don't know if you get my point. So it will be something like immediately the character disappears, the effect will take place. So from here you can still expand the effect to have it fit to screen. You get my point, just like what you see me do here. So when the video is playing, the effect will take place just like what you're seeing on your screen. You do the adjustment and you are good to go. You get my point. So guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out, like I said. And if you want me to mentor you on video editing, I mean private training, DM me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. So that's just it, guys. So what you do next from here is for you to split the ending part of the layers and then you delete them because they are no longer needed. You get my point? After all, you saved your video to your gallery. So guys, see you in our next video.